Okay, hello people. I wanted to show to you how to remove noise in Arnold Renderer because it is possible to clear renders even in the latest version. I wanted to show you carefully of the same projects, and I wanted to compare to you. I got one clock. And I will show to you how to completely remove noise from render, and there is solution for you to achieve very sharp and clean renders in a low light environment. This is like clock another render. You can see beautifully sharp corners. That one as well. I have renders where I was waiting a longer time to finish, and I know what value you can apply to reduce noise even in low light environment and to preserve details. Because I noticed that sometimes when you use the denoiser you don't see sharp edges, especially when you apply metal materials. Or I wanted to show this is This is one of the renders which I don't like, because you see. Okay, I will get back to you now. What settings I applied. First, I increased the camera AA sum is to 7. Then in system, I changed device to graphics card. You can also change minimum memory, is up to you. Because processor, if you have got a very good graphics card, you can use graphics card, because even AMD Ryzen is not as fast as a graphics card to render images. Depending how much memory you have, video memory, my graphics card has 8 gigabytes of video memory, and I have got RAM 56 gigabytes of RAM, so I can afford to render the scene. Okay. Also, there is option diagnostics if you face issue. You can disable warnings, error handling. If you got error, you can deselect this, because sometimes for no reason error comes up. I don't use this. What I added, scroll down by left mouse button to the end. I added denoiser open image. I believe this is open image denoiser, because it's a shortcut. It's not full name, but I believe this is open image. Because you got optics and noise, denoiser noise, optics, and this one. That one gives the best results. And I forgot to mention Arnold Render View. We can check this option. Oh, we also have Gamma. I can check this, because I believe this. Oh, what is this? Aperture. I think I will increase little bit to see if my render will be brighter. Another setting. You can change settings here, but this is to do with noise material. If you use more samples, you will have less noise, which relates to materials. The same with this. I use adaptive sampling. I use the only two samples of adaptive sampling. AA samples, adaptive sampling. I use the only two value. You can increase adaptive threshold because this will be sensitive to noise. And also, don't forget to use a clump filter because you will have white dots. That is why I selected this. You can scroll down a little bit further. Some is, you can increase this because Arnold tells you to do that. This is to do with removing noise as well. What we got here, max subdivision level. This is to do with geometry, subdivision, and here I use value 4. This is to do with displacement. I think if you leave iteration 5, that's fine. And the most important option is camera AA sample because this will give the best results. Also, you can use this, but this is more complicated. Okay, what I wanted to say. Force two-sided, depending what resolution. I use this resolution which relate to my monitor. This is 4K resolution, this is 2K resolution, full HD, and lower resolution than full HD. You can also change settings in assign render option if you scroll down by left mouse button on the bottom. And don't forget to use one of the options Arnold complained or 3ds Max supported, because this option will support 3ds Max maps. And I hope you like my video tutorial. This should help you to remove and to make clean noise. I will create another render to check if a higher option will help. I will. Oh, preview AA. No, this only applies for review. But this one is very important. That is the best option, I believe, people. I hope you like my video tutorial. Use this option. Also scroll down by left mouse button. Add the open image denoiser. Use the graphics card instead of CPU. Don't forget to check manual device selection. In Windows 8.1, you should copy two files from NVIDIA driver, so it will be detected by 3ds Max or Maya, because I published long time ago video tutorial about that. And I also have presets for you if you want to use it. You can also create presets. Arnold, high quality clean render. So you don't have to do everything from the beginning, and you will have preset on your hard drive, and I will upload presets for you people. Have a nice day, see you later on.